Madota.
Babe, why did you keep me waiting here?
Lovers, I beg. Now traffic, you know how traffic they be now.
And besides, what kind of local place is this? Why did you bring me to this kind of place?
Local place?
Yes.
Babe, what is local about this place? This place is very nice, oh. Look at no people food here, now big people now they come here, oh. Don't look down on this place, oh.
Babe, it's irritating. I can't stay here now. It's one of my class. I can't.
Okay. Don't chop these people food. Yeah? If you chop these people food, now because of their food, now waiting make me carry you come here. You know, I don't feel the same you for food. See, if you chop their own kobe, this place now, I swear your head go cold.
Okay, babe. See, babe, there's this place in Ikoyi. I think we should go there. The environment, definition of luxury. And baby, if you eat their fish, hey! Baby, so tasty. And now we now order a bottle of wine or champagne. Babe, I think we should go there now instead of this place that is irritating.
Babe, see, make I tell you. I know they like go there Ikoyi. All those kind of places, they use some kind of nonsense spicing and they use cook food. If they disturb my belly, I know they like them.
Babe, I think there's no spice in your pocket. No, babe, I'm not trying to insult you. Okay, calm down. I'll take care of everything.
You go pay?
Yes, I will pay.
Child! Nah. He who finds you has found a wife. I swear. Got you.
Babe, don't worry, I got you. Let's go.
I be the one time nigga. We go calm down, treat you well. Share you know.
Now you be the table. As a day like this, now you don't turn me to princess. Hey! I swear, I really had fun today.
Alright, babe, I just sent you 1 million naira. Just use that and take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
1 million? Hey! Nah! You don't bust my brain, I swear. You better make a peace first.
No.
Oh my God! I talk am. Because I only for dream this kind of thing happen for this country.